Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to split Visual Studio Code editor layout into two rows. So to split into two rows, hover your cursor over to the top left under the View tab, select Editor Layout. So this is the fourth option from the top down. And then in the third section for the drop-down, select two rows. And this will split the Visual Studio Code editor layout to two rows.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.